Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English 101 channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Sophie. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi Alex, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic, and a very important one.
Exactly. But before we start everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. Please share our podcast with your friends and family. It really helps us a lot.
Okay Alex, are you ready?
I'm ready, so what's our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell me about yourself.
Ah, a very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do in a new class, at a new job, or when you meet new people.
True. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Exactly. So today, we'll make it easy and fun.
Sounds perfect. So who starts, you or me?
How about you start? Tell me about yourself, Alex.
Okay, my turn. Where should I start?
Let's start with something easy. What's your name?
My name is Alex. Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. My name is Sophie.
Nice to meet you too, Sophie. So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Wow, I'm from the United Kingdom.
Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful. What about you?
I live in a big city. It's busy and noisy, but I love it.
A small town and a big city, very different.
Yes. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small house with a garden.
Oh, I love gardens. I live in an apartment.
Is it big?
No, it's small, but it's cozy and comfortable.
That's great. Okay, so we've talked about names, places, and homes. What's next?
How old are you, Alex? If you want to share.
Sure. I'm 28 years old.
And I'm 25 years old.
A great age.
Thank you. Now, let's talk about what you do.
I'm an English teacher. I love my job.
That's wonderful. What about you? I'm a student.
Oh, what do you study?
I study art. I love painting and drawing.
That's amazing. Art is so creative. So, we've covered name, age, job, and home. What's next?
Let's talk about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Anna. She's younger than me.
That's nice. What does she do?
She's a student. She studies music and plays the piano.
Wow, a creative family.
Yes, my mom is a writer and my dad is a doctor.
That's impressive. My mom is also a teacher. She teaches young children. And my dad is a chef.
A chef? That's awesome. Does he cook for you?
Yes, the food is always delicious.
I'm jealous.
Do you have any pets, Alex?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's small, brown, and very friendly.
Ah, I have a cat named Luna. She's black and white and very sleepy.
So, you're a cat person and I'm a dog person.
Exactly.
Let's talk about favorites. What's your favorite food?
Pasta. I could eat it every day. What about you?
Pizza. Especially with vegetables.
Great choice. What's your favorite color?
Blue, like the sky.
Nice. Mine is green like trees and nature.
Blue and green, perfect combination.
What about your hobbies?
I like listening to music and playing soccer with friends on weekends.
That sounds fun. I like painting and reading adventure stories.
Cool. What kind of music do you like?
I love pop music. What about you?
I prefer old rock music.
Is there something you don't like?
I don't like olives.
Really? I love them. I don't like very spicy food.
Same. A little spice is fine, but too much no thank you.
And I don't like waking up early.
I understand. Sleep is important.
So now we know each other well. Name, job, family, pets, favorites, likes, and dislikes.
Yes, that's everything you can include when someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
You don't have to say all of it. Just choose what's right for the situation.
Exactly. Keep it simple, friendly, and smile.
Yes. And don't forget to practice your own version in the comments below.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and keep practicing English.
We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.